Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels. We just had a 2023 RS Trailblazer delivered in Nitro yellow. It's a pre-sold vehicle. I'm not here to talk about this specific vehicle. And I talked about this before. Chevrolet is getting a little more exotic in their color options. And I want to talk about the Trailblazer and what color options are coming. What you have in 2023, and then a couple of replacement colors that are going to be on the 2024 model. With the 2023s, you have your more basic Summit White, Mosaic Black. Some of them are going to have the dual colors. A lot of them are going to have the Summit White combined with these. Other things, including you're also going to have the Blue Glow Metallic, Vivid Orange, which I did a color or video on one we had here last month. You're going to have the Nitro Yellow, which we're looking at right here. Reminds me of Grey Poupon for some reason. Sherrod, you can be in the video if you want. And then, sorry, this thing just came here, and I'm actually keeping our lot tech from getting his job done. Sorry about that, Sherrod. And then last colors are Iridescent Pearl and Sterling Gray. If you've been watching this channel at all, you know I love Sterling Gray. But with the Trailblazers, my bigger thing is I like the fact that you got some fun color options. Not just your red, white, black. With the 2024 models, which will be starting production, I can't remember the exact date. I'll try to look that up and have that in the notes section below. You're going to have Fountain Blue replacing the Blue Glow Metallic. Sadly, Vivid Orange is going away, and that is going to be replacing Copper Harbor. So a copper color is going to be replacing that. And there's going to be a Cacti green. Once again, bravo Chevrolet. I'm proud of you. You're getting a little more fun with the color selection. Even though you're making up color names at this point, none of these were in my crown box as a kid. But then again, I only had like 8. So thank you. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below, or you can give us a call, 513-932-0303. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe. Any constructive criticism also, I'm always open to it. I'm always trying to get better at this. I know I make a lot of mistakes. I appreciate the constructive criticism that you guys do. Thank you and have a great day.